Why they call these championships? Yes, sir. Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And today we are reviewing the Nike Dunk High 1985 championships. And I asked y'all a question, but I already knew the answer. I just wanted to know how many of y'all really knew. I'm joking. I didn't know. But I looked it up, of course. Then they call it championship, and you see it's red and white. The same year the Dunk came out is the same year the St. John's basketball team, shout out to Queens, I know I'm from Brooklyn, went to the Final Four. So that's why you got the red and white St. John's. I think they call Red Storm colorway, and that's why they call it championship. But I really didn't know that, guys, so it's good to know that. But anyway, sneakers app, Nike app, been wilding with the restocks, guys. Like, I done got Lisa Leslie's coming in. I got a couple of Jordan 1s coming in. 2 more colorways in the Dunks coming in. The restocks has been crazy, so keep your eye and your ear open, not only to the sneakers app, but to the Nike app in general. Go in the search bar and type in Dunks, and trust me, it's a lot of stuff coming out. So stay tuned. But yeah, I got these on a restock, but these actually dropped May 17th of last year. Dope sneaker, man. Like, when I think of a red and white high, I automatically think of a Jordan 1 Bread or the Jordan 1 Spider-Man. These joints really don't be talked about a lot, man. Clean shoe. But yeah, man, I really like the red on this sneaker. It really pops, man. So, without further ado, let's get into an in-depth review on this sneaker right now. Unboxing time. Boom. So it comes in your regular, well, OG Nike Dunk box. Usually the Dunk comes in a box like this when it's not a SB, and there's really no theme or hype around the sneaker. It comes in a regular, I guess, light red, dark orange Nike box. It reads Nike Dunk High Retro, white, and University red. Flip open the box. You got your OG tissue paper. You've seen one, you've seen them all. Nothing's crazy. And we're going to start with the left shoe. Let's get a 360 view of the championship red Dunk High joint. I like this sneaker, man. Like, the red is beautiful, guys. Like, it's not like just like a fire red it's like a nice vibrant red, man. Very, very bright red. The toe box is white, of course, and it has a little bit of bounce back. Y'all see it? It's bouncing back. So this leather's pretty good, man. Pretty good quality on the leather. Around the white toe box is the red toes. Nice glossy leather, man. I told y'all this leather's good. I seen better leather, but for $125, man, this is quality leather in my opinion. There you go, red swoosh with white blocking in the back. No tumbledness, you know, it's not a shattered backboard, guys. No tumbleness in the back. But you see the red here looks to braise up. That's my first time noticing that. I always thought like this panel of the sneaker was like flat down, but it actually comes up. It's my first time noticing that, but I don't review too many highs. Go towards the back, more white color blocking, red pull swoosh or pull tab there. Come around the inside, same as the outside. But just look at the stitching, guys. The quality on this sneaker is great, man. That's all the way through. No glue stains or anything. Good quality. Your bottom sole has, like, you know, the regular white Air Force One, Dunk, Jordan 1, white color blocking, followed by red again at the bottom. Go to the bottom of the shoe, and if you've seen one Jordan 1 or one Dunk, you've seen this bottom plenty of times. It's crazy. The inside has that same orange swoosh. As you can see, the inside has that same orange swoosh. And when I was doing a review of the black and white, the Panda Highs, it had orange in it. I'm like, where is the orange? But it has the same swoosh in the inside, orange colorway. The tongue is a white mesh with your red Nike Air logo at the top. Comes in red shoelaces. And I really like these shoelaces. Same red as the sneaker. Is a vibrant pop to this red, man. I don't know what it is. Cherry look, but it's a vibrant pop. That was the left shoe. This here is the right shoe. Everything matches up. As y'all can see, guys, the quality's A1 on this sneaker, man. From top to bottom. Not a glue stain, not a stitching coming out. A1, guys. Yes, sir. So when I was going down a rabbit hole researching these sneakers, trying to figure out exactly where the name came from, I ran into Championship Blue, Championship Red. So I guess it's an NCAA thing. Whenever a team makes it to like the Final Four or something, instead of like giving them all credit, like calling it like a Tar Heel Dunk or a St. John's Red Storm joint, they just make the colorway whatever the team is, and then they put the words championship. That's basically it in a nutshell. So I like the sneaker, man. I mean, it's basic, just like the Panda joints. But this red is different, man. The cherry red on these are super dope. Let me know in the comment section below, did you get anything in this Dunk restock situation that's happening with Nike? Because they going crazy, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.